Okay, here we go. It finally came out today. There's the finished product. Put in that deal I got in there and patted it down. Try to make it look decent. Excuse the shaking, I'm walking. So I'm gonna let this dry a couple days and maybe it'll come down hard or come out hard. See, they did all right. There's a place right there I gotta clean out. I forgot to do it, doggone it. I gotta come back with my tractor before I leave. Anyway, there you go. See, I packed it. If I can get this to zoom in. Packed it so maybe when it dried, it'd be like cement. You know what I mean? Better. It's been a long time doing this. But anyway, that's it. When it dries, I'm gonna come in and add a little dirt on top. And that's it. So, what do you think? Looks pretty good, don't it? There's the old pipe up there. I asked about using it down at the other gate, and he said, "Oh, you can't use used stuff on my right-of-way." I said, "Well, tell you what, buddy, I'll be down there Monday, and you show me in your directive where I can't use it, and we'll go from there. Otherwise, I want to talk to your boss. I ain't letting them shit me around." You from the inside.